Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Ghost Tutor, and what I do on this channel, I solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that you need or that can make you solve for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. And I want to say Happy New Year to you. We thank God that we can hear one another again. It's all by the grace of God. And I also want to appreciate you for your support from the beginning of this channel. You've been supportive, you've been encouraging me, and I pray that you too, you find help in whatever you lay your hand upon in Jesus' name. Okay, I've shared this information about my technical drawing past question before, and I'm sharing it now. Then I just said that, okay, if you're in need of the past question, all you need to do is to get in touch with me through WhatsApp, and I will you pay, then I will send it to you. Many people subscribe to that. They bought the past question and they paid, and I sent it to them through WhatsApp. But now I have made it to be online, so you can buy it online now, and you can pay online, and then you download the past question through a platform that is helping me to do it. So but mind you, the current past question that I have is objective past questions. The theory is not part of it. I'm still working on that. I want to make it simple so that if you are reading it on your own, if you want to learn from it, you will be able to do it yourself. Okay, so the one I have now is objective past question for technical drawing. So I'm going to put a link to where you can purchase the past question in the description. So all you need to do is to click on the link, then it will take you to where you have to pay, and then it will direct you to where you have to download the past question. So let me just share something with you. Okay. All right. Okay. So once you click on the link, so it will take you to this page. So it takes to this page. So if you're in Nigeria and you want to make a purchase of this past question, all you need to do is to pay 1,000 naira. So by the time you click on the link, as I said, it will bring you to this page. All you need to do is to click on buy now. So once you click on buy now, so you think check out. So you check out, and then so you can make your name, your email address, and then so when you click on pay now, so okay, let me put my name here. So Tijani. So Tijani Olawale Ismail. And my email. Teacher 0803. So that's Gmail. Okay. So at gmail.com. Okay. All right. So with this, so I'll just click on pay now. Okay. So I'm waiting for it to load. So I'm waiting for it to load. So it's loading. Okay. So it's getting loaded. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, I just want us to see how the payment process is. Well, I know that most of you know how to go about that. Okay, so this is it. So you can just put your card number here, your ATM card number here. You put every other information, then you make the payment. After I've made the payment, it will take you to where you are to download the past question, or you can use USSD. This is it. Other payment options are here. So you can use USSD, you can use bank, and you can use bank transfer. So all these payment options are available for you to use. If you don't want to use your card, I think someone just told me that, okay, the person is afraid to use the card. There's no problem, but other options are there. If you are using bank transfer, so nobody will know anything about your account number. So all you need to do is to put that 1,000 naira there, and then you pay. Then you come here. I think by the time you click on bank transfer, let's see. So bank transfer, so you are going to be given account number. We all know how this can be done. So we are technological people. Okay, so this is it. So all you need to do is to copy the account number. So it's a Wema Bank. So you pay into the account, and then so after you have paid, so you wait, and then you come and click I've made this bank transfer. So it just directs you straight to where you have to download the past question. So it's as simple as I've explained it here. I know that we know much more than I do. So thank you very much. So purchase the past question and begin to study with it, most especially you that are preparing for WAEC or West African Examination Council exam that is coming very soon. So purchase the past question is just 1,000 naira. And if you have to buy from other country, so we also have other, I think the platform also have other currency that you can pay with. So thank you, and God bless you.